I'm going to show you how to create a citation for a website that you might find on Google or any other search engine. So I've searched healthy fast food and I pre-selected a website that I'm going to use. So I previewed it, decided that I would like to use it. So now I need to cite it because I'm either going to summarize or paraphrase or quote from it in a paper or in a presentation, say on Google Slides or PowerPoint or any other tool that you are using. So I'm going to copy this URL, highlight and copy it. I'm going to open up a tab and type in easybib.com, which is an automatic citation tool that's free. So then I'm going to scroll down a bit and make sure that MLA8 is selected and website is selected. If I was using another source, I could certainly select any of those, but I need website. So now I'll click in that space bar and paste the URL I copied, and I'll click Cite It. And EasyBib is going to come up with what it thinks I mean. And so it's giving me the URL and this name, Elaine McGee, which is the author. So I'm going to click back on my tab to be sure that Elaine McGee is the author, and that is right. So I know I've got the right one. I can click Cite This. Now EasyBib is coming up with what it found in my website. It found the title, the article title, the publisher, the date that I accessed it, and the author, and that's all right. So I'm going to continue to the final step. But I notice that it doesn't find when this article was actually published. So I'm going to kind of make sure I can find that, or at least look, and if I can't, we leave it blank, but if I can, I will include it. It wasn't at the top of the article, so I'm going to search at the bottom. And I'm going to view all the pages here. And when I search at the bottom, I'll see that it does say that it was published in 2008. This date here is actually when it was reviewed, so I want the copyright date. So I can add some information. So I'll continue to the final step. And then I just have to add that year, 2008. EasyBib tells me what it found again, filled in, and then it's in red where I could fill in information if I know it. If I don't, I leave it blank. And I create the citation. Once the citation is created, I can copy by highlighting it. I could copy it, and then I'm going to open up a new tab. And I will open a new document, or I could do a slide if my teacher would want me to put it on a slide. And I'm going to first title this my works cited, and I'll center my cursor first. Type in works cited. Looks like I accidentally got a header on there, so I'm going to just go back. I'm going to put my cursor back on the left-hand side, and at that time I'm going to paste by Control-V. And I do not want that highlighted. It has kind of a gray highlight, so I'm going to go up to my highlight option and choose None. And then I'm going to double space by clicking on my spacing and click double. And then I have to be sure that all of the lines except for the first are indented. So I put my cursor at the end of the first line, Enter, and Tab. And then I need to Enter and Tab. And there's my works cited. I'll click in the top left-hand corner, and then my title transfers up to my document title. And I just need to make sure that any other information that I choose to use, I must cite and put the full citation in MLA format in my works cited, just like I showed you. And you'll be doing that in alphabetical order by the first word in the citation.